In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see sold items on eBay. Whether you're an avid seller or you're just getting started, being able to see your sold items can be quite useful for keeping track of your inventory, understanding which items are popular, and analyzing your profits and trends over time. So let's dive right into it. First things first, before you can start checking out your sold items, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you don't already have the login page saved on your browser, head over to eBay's main website and click on the Sign In option located at the top right corner of the page. Type in your credentials, your username or email, and your password, and you should be set. If you happen to have issues recalling your password, don't worry. Just click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Find and click on My eBay, which acts as the central hub for your buying and selling activities. This section is crucial not just for checking sold items, but for managing all of your eBay activities efficiently. Upon accessing My eBay, you need to locate the Selling section. This area is specifically designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your selling operations. You'll see all sorts of useful categories and insights about your ongoing listings here. Keep in mind how you navigate might vary slightly, depending on any updates or changes to eBay's interface or your account settings, which could adjust what appears as default. Within the selling section, take note of the various subcategories there. You will find listings for active items, orders, and very crucially, completed or sold sections. What we're particularly interested in is the part where it mentions sold or completed items. This part details all the items that you have successfully sold. By clicking on the Sold or Completed link, you'll see a neat list of everything you've sold. This section is particularly helpful as it provides details such as the date of sale, the price the item sold for, and even feedback from the buyer if applicable. If you're looking to optimize your selling strategy, keeping a close eye on these insights can provide a lot of valuable data. By analyzing what's been moving quickly or fetching a good price, you can adjust your listings or prices to better suit market trends. And there you have it, a simple but effective way to view your sold items on eBay. By regularly checking in with this feature, you can keep a well-organized handle on your selling status and adjust your strategies accordingly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful eBay tips and tricks.